Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. And joining me today is my wonderful co-host, Alice.
Hi, everyone. Great to be here again.
Last week, we talked about staying relevant in a changing world. Alice, did you try any of those creativity exercises?
Yes, I started drawing again after 10 years. It felt strange at first, but now I love it.
That's fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, James. But today I need help with something else. Yesterday, my boss said, "Finish this by Friday." Then my friend said, "I'll wait until Friday." I got so confused. They both use time words, right?
This is perfect timing. This confusion affects millions of English learners. Today, we'll solve this mystery completely. You'll understand exactly when to use each one. Let me give you the answer right away. These two words are super important. Natives use them dozens of times every day. They appear in work emails, conversations, and planning. They show completely different ways of thinking about time. Mastering these patterns is essential for clear communication. Why do natives use these words so much? There are three main reasons. First, modern life is all about deadlines. Work projects, appointments, meetings, deliveries, everything has a specific time limit now. We say, "I need this report by Monday," or "Submit your application by December 15th." The word by tells us the latest possible time.
So it's like a final moment?
Exactly. It's a deadline moment. Second, we also need to talk about duration. How long will something continue? When will an action or state stop? We say, "The store is open until 9," or "I'll wait here until you arrive." Until shows the whole period, not just the end.
Oh, so until is about the journey, not the destination.
Beautiful way to say it. Yes, precisely. Third, these words prevent misunderstandings. Imagine saying, "Come to my office Friday." Does that mean any time before Friday, or does it mean stay there all week? Using by or until makes everything crystal clear.
Wow, I never thought about that confusion.
Now let me show you exactly when natives use these. Category 1, business and work. Please send me the files by tomorrow morning. The meeting will continue until everyone agrees. We need your decision by the end of this week.
Those sound so professional.
Category 2, education and learning. Finish your homework by Sunday night. Study until you understand the concept completely. Submit your essay by the deadline.
I hear those all the time in school.
Category 3, daily life and schedules. I'll be home by 6 o'clock. The kids can watch TV until dinner time. Please arrive by noon for the party.
These are so practical.
Category 4, relationships and communication. Call me by tonight if you want to talk. I'll wait until you're ready to share. Let me know by Friday if you're coming.
I use these with my friends constantly.
Category 5, health and routines. Take this medicine by bedtime. Exercise until you feel tired. Eat something healthy by lunchtime.
My doctor uses by all the time.
Are there other ways to express these ideas? Yes, let me show you similar expressions. First, instead of by, you can say no later than. It means exactly the same thing. For example, arrive no later than 8. This sounds more formal than by.
So no later than is like official language.
Exactly. perfect for business settings. Second, you can use before instead of by. But be careful, the meaning is slightly different. By Friday means on or before Friday. Before Friday means only earlier than Friday, not on Friday.
Oh, that's a subtle but important difference.
Third, instead of until, you can say up to. For example, I worked up to midnight. This is more casual than until. Fourth, till is exactly the same as until. It's just shorter and more informal. Many natives prefer until in writing. Fifth, you can use through for continuous periods. For example, the sale runs through Sunday. This means it includes Sunday too.
So many options. How do I choose?
In daily conversation, by and until are perfect. Use the others when you want variety or specific emphasis. What mistakes should we avoid? Here are the 3 most common errors. Mistake number 1, using by with continuous actions. Wrong. I will sleep by midnight. Right. I will sleep until midnight. Why? Sleep is continuous, not a one-time action. By is for completing something, not continuing it.
Oh no, I've been making this mistake forever.
Don't worry, you're fixing it now. Mistake number 2, using until for deadlines. Wrong. Finish your work by Friday. Right. Finish your work until Friday. Why? Until shows duration, not a final moment. Friday is a deadline, so we need by.
That makes so much sense now.
Mistake number 3, confusing by then and until then. Wrong. I'll wait by then. Right. I'll wait until then. Why? Waiting is continuous, so use until. By then means something will be completed before that time.
These examples really help me see the difference.
Let me give you examples for different skill levels. For beginners, A1 to A2 level, come home by 5. Stay here until tomorrow. Finish dinner by 7.
Those are nice and simple.
Now for intermediate, B1 to B2 level. I need to complete this project by next Monday morning. The conference will continue until all speakers finish presenting. Please confirm your attendance by the end of this week.
I can see the difference in complexity.
As you progress, you'll use longer time expressions, but the basic rule never changes. Let me share something fascinating about Western culture. English speakers are extremely time conscious. Being punctual is deeply valued in Western societies. That's why we have so many precise time expressions. In many cultures, time is more flexible. But in English-speaking countries, by Friday means by Friday.
Is this related to business culture?
Absolutely. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Factories needed workers to arrive exactly on time. This created a culture obsessed with schedules. Today, this mindset affects every part of life. Meetings start at the exact time scheduled. Deadlines are taken very seriously. Understanding by and until shows you respect time.
So using these words correctly shows cultural understanding?
Exactly. It shows you understand Western work culture. It also prevents conflicts and misunderstandings. Now let's practice with real situations. Situation 1, a job interview. I'll be the interviewer. You're applying for a job. When can you start working with us?
I can start by next Monday.
Perfect. That's great. But let me suggest something. You could also say, I'm available to start by next week. This gives you a little flexibility.
Oh, that's smart.
Situation 2. Planning with a friend. Alice, you're inviting me to dinner.
Can you come to my house for dinner tonight?
Sure. What time should I arrive?
Please come by 7.
Great. Should I stay until dessert is finished?
Yes, please stay until we finish eating.
Excellent use of both words, Alice. Situation 3. A work deadline. You're my colleague. I need help. Alice, can you review this document for me?
Sure. When do you need it?
I need your feedback by tomorrow afternoon.
No problem. I'll work on it until lunch tomorrow.
Perfect. You've got it. Situation 4. Making plans change. Alice, I'm running late. Can you wait?
How long will you be?
I'll arrive by 6:30. Can you wait until then?
Of course. I'll stay here until you arrive.
Wonderful. You're using them naturally now.
Let me summarize what we learned today. By means a deadline, the final moment. Use it for completing actions before a specific time. Until means duration, a continuous period. Use it when something continues up to a point. By focuses on the end point only. Until includes the whole time period. These words prevent confusion about timing.
Excellent summary, Alice. You've mastered it. Remember one key point. Action type matters. One-time actions use by, finish, arrive, submit, start. Continuous actions use until, wait, work, sleep, stay. This simple rule will guide you every time.
Now here's your homework assignment. Write 3 sentences using by, write 3 sentences using until. Share them in the comments below. For example, I'll finish this video by tonight.
Let me try. I'll study English until I feel confident. Perfect. See how easy it is?
Next week, we'll explore a powerful pattern. We need to focus on doing something. This pattern will transform how you set priorities.
If you have questions about focus and priorities, comment now.
And if you want today's lesson in PDF format, join our membership. Those PDFs are seriously helpful. I review them every week.
Your membership supports free content for millions of learners worldwide. Please subscribe and hit the like button if today's lesson helped you.
Remember, listen to this lesson multiple times. Repetition is the secret to making these patterns automatic.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.
Keep going and keep growing.